Hey, what's up guys? I hope that all of you are doing well. So as we all know that the One UI 611 is out on many devices now after the Samsung Galaxy S24, bringing in all the features of Samsung Galaxy S24 series. So some users were facing some battery drain issue after the One UI 611 update. So today in this video I will show you a method by you can try to fix that, and it worked for me. Also, Samsung introduced new battery protection methods like basic, adaptive and maximum. So basically when your device will reach 80% of battery, it will automatically turn off the charging. So now let's move on to the trick. So for that you just have to power off your device by long pressing your power button and home button. Now you just have to power off your device and you have to wait until your device is completely powered off. And now you just have to hold your volume button and power button at once, and you have to keep holding both the buttons until your device goes to the recovery mode. So keep pressing it, and as you can see over here the device is now in the recovery mode and you can navigate up and down using the volume buttons, and to select it you just have to press the power button. And now from here you just have to search for wipe cache partition, and now you just have to select it and select yes. So basically it will delete all the cache of your device that was previously consuming the battery of your device and your device was getting lag. And after that you just have to click on restart now, and as you can see over here your device is now restarting, and this restart process might take a while, so you just have to wait patiently over here. And as you can see over here the device is now starting. Hopefully this trick will help you save your battery, and also you can try another trick to save your battery. For that you just have to go to your battery options, and from here you have to select processing speed and make sure that your processing speed is on optimized, as high or maximum of processing speed will consume more battery, so keep it optimized so that it will balance your speed according to the battery. And that's a wrap for today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and let me know in the comment section that have you got the One UI 611 update or not yet. Also let me know in the comment section that which AI feature you like the most, and visit the link in the description to check out the top 5 AI features of the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. And do not forget to like and subscribe.